This is FX Daily, where real traders make real profits in real time. See for yourself as Larry Pesavento calls a huge short on oil at 84.
Come in, Danny boy. Come in, Danny boy. Okay, good morning, folks. Well, we have a potential for God's greatest gifts. We wanted this market to hold up here. So far it has, and we'll see if it's going to continue that. We're talking about the basic stock market. I'll do the first one. I'll do the DAX first, but there's a lot of things that we probably ought to talk to. We have a guest here in Tucson. One of our trading room folks is here from the UK visiting us for a couple of days. So we'll be working with him, and then we will also, I'll come back on and after, maybe a little before 3 o'clock and review where we are, with some of this stuff here. But the first thing is, I know you already know that the DAX made the big ABCD pattern to the downside. The number was at 87.40. We did get to 88.60, but this market opened lower and just kept going all day long. But now you've got a potential setup here on the shorter term basis. Two things I wanted to mention to you. After the market bottomed here, you see it had a rally for an hour. Then it had a very quick pullback to the exact 786 retracement here, and then away it went. What happened is, you see on the first correction, you see it had the first correction right here. It did exactly the same thing here. It had the same correction. This correction was just a tiny bit more, not much, maybe 5 or 6 more points. But what we have setting up now, and this is one we really have to do for the room. This is Mother God and Country stuff, and that is to buy this at, if we get down to 8,800, which is only 40 points away, which is really not very much. That would be a 382 retracement, and it would be your first ABCD correction that you had here, correct? And it would also be, this correction here would be the biggest correction that you've had since the rally started early Monday morning. So we want to be looking to buy the DAX at 88.02. And we would stop that. You got to give this a wide berth here. So 88.02 and a stop below. See risk. Let's see, 88.02, 77, and we can put our stop to 30 pips away at 87.02. So they're going to buy the DAX at 88.02, and we're going to stop it at 87.02. We risk the 30 points. We should get at least a couple of weeks rally here in the DAX if this big ABCD is correct. And the way it started, gapping down and then rallying back, 200 points. That's usually a sign that the cycle that is there would hold up okay.